guys, Nicole here. So, you are probably watching this because you already made a reservation for a Dolmar land projects, whether it is Bella Vista, North Grove Hills, Legacy, or other Dolmar land projects. Now, you want to know how to properly answer the forms that we send through your email address. So, we're gonna have a quick guide on how you can answer it properly.
So, you will receive several forms. So, for example, this is what we call LOI or letter of intent. If you receive this form, you just have to fill it out. Ito yan, 2 pages yung LOI form. So, dito, lalagay mo lang dyan yung model number na nakuha mo, block and lot number. You can leave this blank, but if you want to put the TCP, okay lang din. Nasa sample computation naman yan. And then, sa second page, lalagay mo dito yung name of spouse. Kung meron or wala. Pag wala, lagyan mo ng NE. Tas home address mo yan ng principal buyer to, mobile cell number, email address, company name, office address. Ikaw to. So, details mo to. And here naman, lalagay mo lang, ito blank lang to. So, yung iba dito is, you have to leave it blank. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Your signature over printed name. So, yan yung importante. Kapag ikaw ay married, lalagyan mo tong with conformity. Pero kung wala, leave it blank. So, yun lang yung importante dyan. Yung iba, just leave it blank. Huwag na po natin yung pakialaman. So, meron ka ring ma-receive na tinatawag natin na DPC. Ang DPC naman, ito, Data Processing Consent Form. So, after you have read through the page, dito sa baba, lagay mo lang dyan, client, signature over printed name, yung date, contact number mo, email address mo, and then residence. Ang residence, kahit OFW ka, dapat yung Philippine address yung ilalagay mo dito. Kahit address ng SPA representative mo, okay lang. Basta Philippine address. Kung ano yung sinabit mo, proof of billing, magmamatch dito. And then, meron ka rin marireceive na CIS or Client Information Sheet. Ito naman, yung ikaw as a principal buyer, lalagyan mo dito yung mga details. Kung married ka, spouse, pero kung single, leave it blank. Pagka sinabing appointed attorney, in fact, with special power of attorney, susulatan mo lang to kung ikaw as a buyer ay OFW or immigrant, meaning based abroad ka. Kapag hindi ka naman based abroad, leave this blank. Hindi mo kailangan ng SPA. Okay? So, ito, check lang yan. Madali lang yan. Sa character references, kailangan mo maglagay ng tatlong kaibigan, katrabaho, or relatives, complete address, contact number, and then dito kahit year lang. Sa baba, signature over printed name, ito ng principal buyer. So, ikaw yung principal buyer, tas pirma sa taas. Kung married ka, maglagay ka dito ng pangalan ng spouse. Kung hindi ka naman married, leave it blank. Tapos, yung iba dito na part, hindi na sa'yo yan. So, leave this blank kasi sa office na yan, okay? Kapag ikaw naman ay may co-borrower, kailangan mo mag-submit ng 2 copies nito. So, pag co-borrower ka, si co-borrower, susulat niya rin yung pangalan niya dito sa part ng principal. Yan, as a co-borrower, details niya rin yan. Okay? Kung ano yung process kanina, same lang din. Si co-borrower ay magsusulat rin dito sa data processing form. So, meron din kayong marireceive kung available na yung project information sheet na details about sa project, pipirmahan nyo din yun sa gilid, each page. So, and also, yung part doon na signature over printed link pag may na-receive kayo na project information sheet. So, madali lang po sagutan yung forms ni Dolmar Land. Pag na-receive mo na to, at nasagutan mo na, na-fill out mo na, kailangan mo lang siyang i-email back kung saan mo na-receive itong forms. And kailangan isama mo na dun yung mga initial requirements like 2 valid IDs with signature, yung proof of income, proof of billing, birth or marriage certificate. Isasama mo na sa pag-email mo kasama nitong mga forms natin kay Dolmar Land. So, yun po siya. So, itong LOI, para lang to sa mga may mga projects lang na may LOI form. Pero pag wala kang na-receive na LOI form, okay lang yun. Hindi mo yun kailangan fill upan. Ibig sabihin, ito lang yung kailangan mong i-fill out. So, ganun lang po siya.
But if you have any other questions sa pag-fill out ng form, you can just always contact me directly. Pero basically, napakadali niya lang pong sagutan, guys. And ako, usually binibigay ko sa mga client like 2 to 3 days as much as possible. Ma-send back at ma-fill out yung form. So, hindi naman siya not rush, pero within 3 days is ideally na ma-send ko siya. So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.